Welcome to the LineVu Portal, your gateway to 24/7 liquid carryover detection. Access your pipeline data from anywhere, anytime, with an intuitive interface designed for ease of use. Make quick evidence-based decisions to optimize maintenance schedules on phase separation and filtration systems by monitoring all your LineVu installations in one place, with video streams and detailed installation overviews. Effortlessly collaborate with your team, review image processing analysis data, and critical events with our time-lapse archive. Stay ahead with advanced data analysis, customizable views, and sophisticated liquid carryover detection. With detailed reports, manage your accounts effortlessly, keeping your operations smooth and informed and in compliance with gas quality standards and tariff agreements. LineVu, your trusted partner for 24/7 liquid carryover detection, right inside your pipeline. Visit our website to discover more.